how to log in to Uni Banka. So if you want to log into Uni Banka, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then go for the search bar and search for Uni Banka login. Once you've searched, here you can go for the first search, and now it will take you to the login page. So to log into your account, first you need to enter your user ID on the first blank. And once you enter your user ID, you need to enter your password on the next blank. But if you don't remember your password, then you can go for forgot password, which will be here, and you can reset or recover your password. And once you change your password, you can go back to the login page and you can log into your account. But if you remember, then simply enter your password and then you can click on login, which is here. And once you click on login, it will log you into your account. So that's it. That's how you log into your Uni Banka account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.